In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight active rows in Google Sheets using AppScript. So if you're working on a big data set and you're trying to read some data and you're having a hard time keeping track because when you click on a cell, it only highlights that cell. It does show you at the top and at the side which column you are in, which is right here, and which row you are in. There we go. But what if you want to highlight an entire row and not just that cell? Well, we can actually highlight our rows with the help of AppScript. Now, if you're not good at coding or you don't have any background with coding or JavaScript, that's okay because we're going to be using the help of ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an AI tool. It helps you generate different type of answers depending on what type of questions or requests you're going to ask it. So for this one, let's open our ChatGPT and create a prompt right here. So this is what we're asking. We're asking it to create an app script for Google Sheets that will highlight an active row in a spreadsheet. So AI already understands the question and it's going to generate this. If we click on this arrow up right here, it is now generating that code for us. And what's great about this is we are just going to copy and follow the instructions. So we have our app script here first. There we go. Quite short. And how to set it up, we are just going to go to our extensions, open it, save, and return to our sheet. So we don't have to run this script or do anything else. All we have to do is save. We also have some notes and tips. It highlights the entire row and it has this color right here. Now, if you want a different color, let's say yellow or green, that's totally up to you. You can ask it for some changes. But this one, it's going to be a light red, which is okay for me. So I'm going to go with that. Next, we are just going to copy this. So we can click on this part where it says copy. Now it's copied. Let's go back to our spreadsheet. So now we're back in Google Sheets. Again, the instructions are we go to our extensions and go to AppScript. When we click on this, it will open a new tab where AppScript is. Once it has loaded, the first thing that we're going to do is to delete whatever is right here. There we go. So select everything. Delete, and what we're going to do is to just Control V and paste that code. There you have it. Now again, we're only going to save this, nothing else. So once it's saved, now of course you can have it renamed, that's totally up to you. And if we go back to our spreadsheet, now if we try and select a cell, it should highlight the entire row a light red background. So if I click on this part right here, it will take some time, but it will highlight this entire row right here. If it does take some time, you can just refresh your page. I think mine is taking a bit more time to read on that code. So if I select a random cell, it can be anywhere from this range. If I select this one, there you have it. It automatically highlighted that entire row within my data. So it doesn't extend with the extension of that row right there. If I click on this part, there you have it. So now you can easily read your data by highlighting that active row right here. And that's how you can highlight your active rows here in Google Sheets with the help of AppScript and ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.